So open it up. You have this case, this thing right here. Got a book. That's always good. You got a charger that plugs in to recharge the batteries. You get a screwdriver. It's always good to make repairs or whatever. This, I assume, is for oil. Because you do have to, a lot of these machines, you do have to have oil in them. You get an extra blade. And you get 2 batteries. 1 battery. 2 battery. You get this thing, which I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's an extra piece of something. And you get the actual tool. Real quick, without reading anything, you can pretty much know what's going on. I don't know if this has any juice. Oh, sure does. Off the back, I can see I've reviewed another kind of tool like this, and it didn't have this safety features. Like, it was open in the front, kind of, where you could stick a finger in there, and it would be not good. So, this looks a lot better. It has a stop here and a stop at the bottom, of course, where your finger won't fit in there. Unless you have really, really small fingers, like children. Yeah, don't let kids play with this. So, you have a safety, up, and you can't activate it, down, and you can. You have some lights right here. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe that's... Oh, that might be how much juice you have. So that's pretty nice. Seem to have 4 full bars. So we're going to get to cutting with this, and I'm going to just show you what it does. So here we are, the moment of truth. Actually cutting. So let's see how this works. I haven't cut with this yet. Got a little project here, so I'm hoping it works as well as it should. So... So that was great. Not as straight as I could have got it, which is totally my fault. But you see, that cut like butter, like it was nothing. And it has a good little guide. Like you can tell where you're going from the side. So yeah, it does what it's supposed to do. So that worked great. And then you have your battery charger over here. When it's time to recharge, take your battery, stick it in there. You see the red light, turn green when it's done. Alright, so thanks for watching this review. Peace.